She's so sweet. Oh my gosh. That was such an honor to have the chance to, have her as a guest like mentor. She was on season 2 of The Voice, and she's such a sweet person, so amazing. And I love the song that her and Blake do. It's so awesome. So to get her like female perspective and her advice, like just that was so awesome that Blake did that and that he brought her. So it was really an honor to meet her. Yeah, like it amazes me like because Blake just cares so much about every one of his artists. Like he really does. Like the support that he shows all of us and like he just you could just tell that he loves us all and we love him, He's just such an amazing person and like he just won like song of the year. Like he is incredible. Like he literally is so amazing, and just to have him as my coach, like it's just something I always dreamed of, and I just can't believe that it's actually happening. It's crazy. Oh my god.
And now you're going to sing
Another one like that, yeah. So this definitely was another one of those emotional songs that I really, just had to connect to and put my all into it. So, I just hope that, everybody who was watching, like, really connected to it as well. There's always nerves like running through my mind, and I'm always nervous before I perform. But I always just try to think like I've worked so hard for this moment, like for this performance. Like I've worked this whole week, so I just try to take a couple deep breaths, sink in what I'm here for, like this amazing opportunity that just doesn't come like often in anyone's life. Every time I get up there, I just love getting on that stage, and we practice on it all week, so you kind of get more comfortable every performance. But I always definitely get nervous. I think that like if you don't get nervous, it's like, if you get nervous, it's like it just really shows that you just love it. You just love it so much. I definitely would love to do maybe a more upbeat song. I've definitely been kind of like urging to do something different, do some like more upbeat or something like that. So I hope that if I make it through tomorrow, that I get that opportunity to do so. Yes, I really hope that all of my supporters vote, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for helping me get to the top 8. That just means the world to me. You're helping make my dreams come true, and I just can't thank you guys enough. So thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to Synergistic.
You are rocking it. You are rocking it. I was about to ask you what to do. That's good. Come on. You are.